Hello, welcome to another episode of our further mathematics class. Today we shall continue with the topic which says differentiation, and the method we want to use today is none other but product rule. Product rule is a general rule of differentiation which is used to solve a problem that involves the multiplication of a function by another function. For example, if we have that y is equal to uv, that is to say, for you to obtain the value of this y, it is the product of what? U and v. Having known this, let us get the general formula of product rule. The general formula for product rule goes thus: dy over dx equal to u dv over dx plus v du all over dx. So this is the general formula for product rule. Now that we have known this, let us go into the main business of today proper, and that is to use this general formula of product rule to solve some problems. Alright. Example: find the derivative of the following. 1. Y equal to bracket open 3 minus 2x bracket closes multiply by bracket open 1 minus x. Okay, and number 2, y is equal to bracket open 2x squared plus 2 bracket closes multiply by 3x minus 1. So this is what we have. Alright, let's start. Solution. We have to solve number 1. Y equal to bracket open 3 minus 2x bracket closes multiply by 1 minus x. Alright. To solve this problem, what we are going to do is very simple. Let our u be equal to what we have in the first bracket, that is 3 minus 2x. If we differentiate u with respect to x, we are going to have du over the x. When we differentiate a constant 3, we have 0. Minus, when we differentiate 2x, we have 2. 0 minus 2 will give us negative 2. Then what we have in the second bracket, we target v. Okay? Then our v is equal to 1 minus x. Let us differentiate v with respect to x. We have the v over the x. So this will be, if we differentiate 1 is a constant, it becomes 0. Minus, if we differentiate x, it will give us 1. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Alright, what we obtain now, let us fix it into the general formula for product rule, which says dy over the x is equal to u dv over the x plus v du over the x. Alright, so our dy over the x will be, remember that u is multiplying dv over the x and v is multiplying du over the x. So what is our u? From here we have our u as 3 minus 2x. Let us put it in bracket. Being multiplied by dv over the x is negative 1. Put your plus sign. What's our v? Our v is 1 minus 2x will give us positive 2x. Put plus, still continue with the bracket. Negative 2 times 1 will give us negative 2. Negative 2 times negative x will give us positive 2x. Now it's time for us to open up this bracket. We have dy over dx equal to negative 3 plus 2x. Positive times this will give us negative 2. Positive times positive will give us positive 2x. Okay? Collect like times. Dy over dx. Let the one that have x come first. We have positive 2x plus positive 2x, negative 3, and negative 2. So the value for our dy over dx will be positive 2x plus positive 2x will give us positive 4x. Okay? Negative 3, negative 2 will give us negative 5. This becomes our answer for question 1. Now question 2. We're asked to differentiate this. Y equal to bracket open 2x squared plus 2 bracket closes multiplied by 3x minus 1 bracket closes. Okay, let our u be everything inside the first bracket, which is 2x squared plus 2. Okay, if we differentiate u with respect to x, we have the u over the x. This will be, if you differentiate this, you have 4x. If you differentiate constant, you have plus 0. So our answer here is 4x. Then we go over to v. Let v be everything inside the second bracket. We have 3x minus 1. Alright, if you differentiate v with respect to x, you have dv over the x. Okay? So we are going to obtain that if we differentiate 3x, we are going to have 3 only. If we differentiate minus 1, we have minus 0. So our answer here will be 3. Alright, time for us to put this in the general formula for product rule, which says dy over the x. We're going to put it, and is u dv over the x plus v du over the x. Alright, we have our dy over the x. So b, what is our u? Our u is 2x squared plus 2. Multiply it by dv over the x. dv over the x is 3. Bring down your plus sign. What is our v? Our v is 3x minus 1. Multiply it by du over the x. du over the x is 4x. Okay. Time to multiply. dy over the x will give us 3 times 2. Will give us 6x squared. 3 times 2 here will give us plus 6. Still maintaining the plus, open bracket. 4x times 3x will give us 12x squared. 4x times negative 1 will give us negative 4x. Alright. Let us clean this part of the board and complete our task. If you have any problem, please write it down in the comment section. I will attend to you later. Okay. We proceed. video, let it go viral. Click on the bell icon for notification. And most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you and remain blessed.